IREX 2022. Japan Robot Association and the Nikon Kokyo Shimbun held the International Robot Exhibition 2022 at Tokyo Big Sight between March 9th, Wednesday, and March 12th, Saturday 2022, with the theme The Way Towards a Friendlier Society, Bridged by Robots. Being the world's largest class robot trade fair, as the biennial event is, this was the 24th time this event came about. And with it came various interesting robots and whatnot. So watch today's video to the very end for an insight into IREX 2022. Before we go any further though, we request you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss another upload of ours. Having said that, let's jump right in. What, where, when? The International Robot Exhibition 2022 was held with the number of 615 companies and organizations and 3,227 booths. IREX 2019 consisted of 637 companies and organizations and 3,060 booths. This year's exhibition was held in East 1 to 8 halls and West 3 to 4 halls of Tokyo Big Sight. In addition to exhibiting the latest systems and related equipment for industrial robots, which has been increased to use, many service robots which were active during the COVID-19 pandemic were exhibited. Besides, material handling, robot zone, and parts feeder zone were also newly added, and the latest robot systems that were active in the logistics industry, such as supply systems and parts feeders, were also exhibited. Regarding forums and seminars, IREX Robot Forum 2022 was held on the day 1 to explore the latest trends about robot introduction and possibilities in new fields by leading robot manufacturers and users. In addition, various forums and exhibitor seminars were held every day. For those who were unable to visit the on-site exhibition, IREX 2022 Online was also made available. IREX 2022 Online contained the introduction of exhibit products and services and streaming webinars. The online venue was full of highlights, including certain exhibitors which were only available at the online venue, and some webinars limited to the online venue. More information was provided by holding a hybrid-style event, on-site and online. In addition, information was also made available in both Japanese and English, and visitors were able to access this information 24 hours round from all over the world. Industrial Robot Zone for a wide range of demand. The use of industrial robots has expanded beyond the conventional automotive and electronic parts industries to areas such as food and medicine, and accelerating automation and productivity gains. Material handling, robot zone, and parts supply zone was established from this year, and the latest robot systems that are active in the logistics industry, such as supply systems and parts feeders, were exhibited. In addition, collaborative robots, which were active in the COVID-19 pandemic, robots, and solutions relating to DX and digital twins were also exhibited. The Service Robot Zone, covering a broad range of fields such as nursing care and welfare, agriculture, infrastructure support, and education. The latest robots that are active in society, such as nursing care and welfare, infrastructure support and disaster response, education, and food, were exhibited in this Service Robot Zone. At the NITO booth, the latest robots that have been developed and drones were exhibited. In addition, at the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries booth, robots related to smart agriculture were on display. In the project area of World Robot Summit, WRS, held in 2021, sponsored by the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry and NEDO, demonstration and operational experience was held by winning teams of World Robot Challenge. Multiple robot competitions and concurrent events. In the West 3 to 4 halls, the area of Robot Activity and Experience Zone, which is always quite popular with general visitors, was expanded. In addition to the latest mobility test drive experience, multiple robot competitions on the final day only, and concurrent events such as International Space Industry, Exhibition ICX, Kokokara Fair, and Good Factory Shop also unfolded. ICX. This space business used to be a national-scale business, but with the remarkable participation of private companies, it has the potential to create new business opportunities beyond industries related to the manufacture and launch of rockets and satellites. The size of the space business market, which has long remained in the $300 billion range, was expected to expand after 2020, and is expected to exceed $2.4 trillion by 2040. Space development is no longer a topic for the distant future. Around the world, emerging companies are developing and test launching rockets and conducting in-space demonstrations at a rapid pace. The International Space Industry Exhibition ICX Zone was a concurrent special exhibition as a part of the world's largest robot exhibition. It featured stage events and exhibitions of robots, products, and services that are specialized for the space development business. Roche has nothing on adorable robot dog. This year at IREX 2022 in Japan, we learned that if you want to stand out in the robot animal arms race, you have to think bigger. Kawasaki Heavy Industries revealed the RHP Vex, a quadruped robot that sort of resembles the horse you get in Elden Ring. But instead of being a mythical spirit steed that can double jump, it's a robot horse with LED horns that can deploy an aerial drone from its back. According to sources, the Vex is a robot with a 100-kilogram load capacity designed for transporting people and things, like an artificial pack, mule, or mountain goat hybrid. The Vex employs wheels for flat surfaces, along with walking around on its 4 legs to traverse uneven terrains. The legs can move using V-Sido, a robot control system that allows the generating gait motion so the legs move in an almost locomotive-like cadence. In wheel mode, the Vex drops down to its knees, where the wheels are in its case in a hurry. Another wheel pops out of its belly for stability. According to Kawasaki Heavy Industries, the Vex can link up with a network of autonomous delivery robots and successfully had the K-Racer unmanned drone take off and land on its back in a test last year. The idea is that, in theory, the Vex can climb rough and harsh terrain at high elevations to deliver cargo, or deploy a drone in areas too unsafe for people or vehicles to get to. I don't know about you, but as soon as I hear it can deploy anything, I fear that the Vex can go from being this cute robot horse that can deliver beer to the mountains, to a cute robot horse with a minigun on its back, like the robot dogs in Battlefield 2042. The Witcher 3's Roach, and especially Metal Gear Solid 5's D-Horse, must be envious of the versatility. Dobot's unveiling. Dobot, a world-leading provider of intelligent robotic solutions, showcased a rich collection of robots, along with the unveiling of its second-generation SCARA collaborative robot, the M1 Pro. The Dobot M1 Pro is a new SCARA collaborative robot with excellent human-machine collaboration and safety features compared to conventional robotic arms. It's perfect for a wide range of applications in lightweight industry, communication, and consumer electronics, such as pick and place, gluing, assembly, other light industrial needs, and higher education. Kenan's new delivery robot. Kenan Robotics, one of the world's leading service robotics companies, was all set to bring its full portfolio of hospitality robot products to IREX 2022. During the 4-day event running from March 9th to March 12th in Tokyo, alongside an online exhibition space open to the public from March 1st to 18th, IREX visitors were able to have a close-up experience with Kenan's market-leading indoor delivery robots, including the new, compact, and lightweight delivery robot T8 that will make its debut in the Japanese market. Featuring an elegant and compact structure, the delivery robot T8 is an adorable and capable assistant for restaurants and hotels. This new model is equipped with a centimeter-level positioning system, which allows it to navigate narrow spaces with ease. It also can communicate and collaborate with other units to complete more complicated delivery tasks, reducing response times to provide a seamless and intuitive experience for guests. Kenan's industry-leading, high-precision automatic positioning and navigation technology allows the robots to quickly adapt to the working environment and deliver excellent cross-floor room delivery and dish serving services. Coupled with the auto-charging feature, their high operation efficiency has made them perfect assistants for a wide range of business scenarios, especially in the post-pandemic era as consumers are increasingly prioritizing contactless options for health and safety concerns. Industrial 3D printing climbs to new heights. In the 35 years since additive manufacturing, aka 3D printing, was commercially introduced, the palette of machines, materials, and methods has grown significantly, and fresh sales reports bear this out. From large area, scalable, or in-situ platforms to 3D printed tooling and resins exhibiting an array of mechanical properties, additive manufacturing seemingly breaks ground on a daily basis. Even electronics giant and 2D printer maker Epson is getting into the additive game, announcing on March 7th its industrial-grade 3D printer. The machine's flat-screw extrusion method lets it print resin or metal pellets and high-performance thermoplastics like PEEK. The printer made its very first debut at the IREX 2022. Nikon C3 eMotion Intelligent Actuator Units. Nikon was pleased to announce the expansion of its C3 eMotion Intelligent Actuator Unit lineup, each of which combines vital robotic joint components including a motor, speed reducer, motor driver, brake, and encoders together into one package. Nikon will now offer the new IAU30 and IAU300 types, which differ in terms of size, torque, and other characteristics. The C3 eMotion, debuted at IREX 2022, is a robotic joint unit for collaborative robots that, when used together with robotic arms, facilitates easier building of robots even by users who have no knowledge of robot design. Moreover, thanks to its high versatility, the C3 eMotion can also be used as a component in semiconductor equipment, machine tools, measurement instruments, conveyance equipment, and other machines and systems which require high stopping accuracy, machine precision, or similar. With that, we come to the end of this video. Consider subscribing to join in next time for more of such interesting content.
IREX 2022, wow. बब्बाल भिडियो लाग्यो यो भिडियो हेरेपछि चाहिँ टेक्नोलोजी हुन्छ नि कुन लेभलमा गइरहेको छ भन्ने कुरा फिल गर्न सकिन्छ क्या अनि एकदम ब्लेस्ड फिल भएको छ किनभने हामीले हाम्रो जेनेरेसनले चाहिँ टेक्नोलोजी यस्तो र्यापिड ग्रोथ भइरहेको टेक्नोलोजीसँग चाहिँ त्यसलाई प्र्याक्टिसमा ल्याउनु पनि पर्ने अनि युज टु पनि हुनुपर्ने छ सो च्यालेन्ज पनि अनि इन्ट्रेस्टिङ पनि क्या अझै के हुनेवाला छ अब नेक्स्ट यो भन्दा नेक्स्ट इनोभेसन के होला भन्ने कति चासो हुन्छ हैन या आई फिल भेरी लकी अनि त्यो भन्दा पनि बढी आई फिल भेरी ह्याप्पी र यो भिडियोबाट चाहिँ मैले केही पोइन्ट आउट गरेको छु अबाउट टेक्नोलोजी जस्तै इज टोटली डिपेन्ड अन टेक्नोलोजी दस मेकिङ आवर लाइफ इजियर अफ कोर्स अब त फुल्ली डिपेन्ड अन टेक्नोलोजी छ हैन हरेक कुरा हामीले टेक्नोलोजीलाई रिलेट गरेर अथवा टेक्नोलोजी युज गरेर चाहिँ हामी हाम्रो लाइफलाई चाहिँ इजी बनाउन कोसिस गरिरहेका छौं र हामीले त्यसको इम्प्लिमेन्टेसन पनि गरिरहेका छौं हैन त्यस्तै अब द इनोभेसन अफ फोन्स टेलिभिजन्स एन्ड ल्यापटप्स हैज digitally solve the purpose of entertainment today. Of course, हाम्रो सबैको हातमा स्मार्टफोन छ हैन आज भन्दा 8-9 वर्ष अगाडि हामी टच प्याड वाला त्यो की वाला फोनहरु युज गर्थ्यौं त्यो भन्दा पहिला हामी एकदम पातलो फोन युज गर्थ्यौं कोही मान्छेले मात्र मात्र फोन हुन्थ्यो हैन त्यो भनिराख्नु पर्दैन सो नेक्स्ट छ टेक्नोलोजी हैज नट ओन्ली हेल्प्ड अस digitally but has also lead to various innovation in the field of medicine science. Oh my god, यो त म I can feel किनभने medical science, industrial पुरै robotic system हामीले चाहिँ यो जापानमा चाहिँ देखेको अथवा यही सम्बन्धी काम गरेको भएर I can relate this किनभने यहाँको चाहिँ ह्युमन रिप्लेसमेन्ट ह्युमन नगरेर रोबोट्सलाई चाहिँ काम अराउने खालको त्यो लेभलको थट्सहरु हरेक कम्पनी राख्दो रहेछ विचार राख्दो रहेछ हैन अनि सकेको कम्पनीले चाहिँ ठ्याक्कै इम्प्लिमेन्ट पनि गर्दो रहेछ र यो मेडिकल साइन्सको कुरामा त एकदम हामी ह्युमनले गरेको भन्दा मेसिन्सले गरेको चाहिँ एकदम प्रिसाइज जस्तै कुनै पनि इक्विपमेन्ट मेडिकल इक्विपमेन्ट बनाउनु पर्यो अथवा मेडिसिन बनाउनु पर्यो भने आर्टिफिशियल इन्टेलिजेन्स यो रोबोटिक सिस्टमले चाहिँ एकदम इफेक्टिभली गर्छ सो इट्स यो चाहिँ एकदम लिड टु भेरियस इनोभेसन इन द फिल्ड अफ मेडिसिन साइन्स इज भेरी ट्रु र अर्को छ अर्लियर इट टुक इयर्स टु डायग्नोज हामीले चाहिँ पहिला चाहिँ के हुन्थ्यो भन्दाखेरि यो कुनै पनि हामी हस्पिटल जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ त्यसको रिपोर्ट आउन हैन स्पेसिफिक डिजिज के हो भनेर पत्ता लगाउन चाहिँ एकदमै समय लाग्थ्यो एक दुई दिन हप्ता दिनसम्म कुर्नु पर्ने हुन्थ्यो त्यो रिपोर्टको लागि तर आज टेक्नोलोजीको कारणले चाहिँ हामीले विदिन मिनट विदिन अ डे हामी चाहिँ इजिली यो डायग्नाइज गर्न सक्छौं डिजिजहरुको हैन एन्ड सी द टेक्नोलोजी सो नेक्स्ट पोइन्ट छ our daily activities such as banking, shopping, internet, learning and communication can be done on a digital platform just by a click on our phone screen. यो त एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट अहिलेको जमानामा हामी यो शपिङ बैंकिङ अनि ई-लर्निङ वाउ ई-लर्निङ त झन् यति नेसेसरी छ कि हामी जस्तो यङ जेनेरेसनलाई हरेक कुरा हामी त्यो ई-लर्निङ प्लेटफर्मबाट सिक्न सक्छौं हैन यो पोइन्ट्सहरु एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ अहिलेको सो यस बिकज अफ टेक्नोलोजी एन्ड Although all these gifts of technology are really making our life faster and easier, it has to got several disadvantage. यो म एग्री गर्छु किनभने हामीलाई त त्यो कम्फर्टेबल त छ तर हामीले त्यसको सही युज गर्न जानेन भने त त्यो टेक्नोलोजीको त कुनै पनि अर्थ छैन अनि त्यही गलत युजको कारणले हाम्रो डेली लाइफमा कति इफेक्ट परिरहेको हुन्छ हैन हामी चाहिँ एउटा यस्तो जेनेरेसन हो टेक्नोलोजीलाई सही तरिकाले ह्यान्डल गरेर हाम्रो नेक्स्ट कमिङ जेनेरेसनलाई चाहिँ त्यो एउटा डिरेक्सन दिनुपर्ने नेसेसरी छ त्यो चाहिँ हाम्रो रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटीमा पर्छ किनभने टेक्नोलोजीको डिसएडभान्टेज भनेर साध्य छैन So since we all are highly dependent on technology, it has reduced our daily physical activities, which no longer but put effort to do anything on our own, as everything is available at a minutes click. हैन यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि हामी एकदमै आजकल अल्छी भएको छौं अनि केही कुरा गर्नु छ भने एप भइहाल्छ नि हैन भन्ने त्यस्तो खालको छ सो दिस इज द डिसएडभान्टेज अनि त्यस्तै childrens nowadays are more addicted to online video games rather than playing outside in the playgrounds. These habits make them more physically inactive. यो त तपाई एग्री गर्नुहुन्छ होला किनभने यो टेक्नोलोजीकै कारणले गर्दाखेरि अब मानिलिउँ हाम्रो बच्चा रुइयो भने एकछिन मोबाइल देखाइदिए भन्ने खालको अहिले ह्याबिट अहिले धेरै फ्यामिलीमा छ हैन अनि उ चाहिँ बिस्तारै त्यो त्यसमा उ चाहिँ बानी पर्दै जान्छ सो दिज आर द ब्याड साइड अफ दिस टेक्नोलोजी हैन यसलाई चाहिँ अलिकति सबैले ध्यान पुर्याएर युज गर्नुपर्छ र ओभरअल टेक्नोलोजी चाहिँ खतरा भइरहेछ सो यसलाई चाहिँ राम्रोसँग युज गरौँ यति भन्दै प्रोबेबली यस्तै भिडियो काहीँ मैले इन्ट्रेस्टिङ भेटे भने आई विल मेक another one. Thank you for watching.